Excuse me.
Bini-bini, napakaganda naman ang iyong mata. Pag ngumingiti ka sa'kin, ako'y natutulala. Kung panaginip man ito, ayoko na lang magising. Pag naaalala.
Okay lang, may stall ba kita, ma'am? Yes, bali na-notice kasi kita. Yes, kung okay lang, maging part ka ng content ko for the photoshoot lang. Pipicture na kita ngayon. Naghahanap ako ng pwede picture tapos pinapost ko sa TikTok tsaka sa page. Okay lang maging part ka ng content ko. Yes, papakita ko lang yung page ko sa'yo. Familiar ka dito, ma'am, sa mga strangers photoshoot? Ito yung page ko. Wala ka pa experience sa photoshoots, no? Wala pa. Ang pretty today ni ma'am. So, taga saan sila, ma'am?
Taga Paranaque.
Paranaque. So, anong ginagawa nila dito?
Nakain lang po.
Okay,
Suddenly, I'm in love with a stranger. I can't believe that she's mine. Now all I see is you with fresh eyes, fresh eyes. So suddenly, I'm in love with a stranger. I can't believe that she's mine. Now all I see is you with fresh eyes, fresh eyes. So suddenly, I'm in love with a stranger. I can't believe she's mine. Yeah, and now all I see is you with fresh eyes, fresh eyes. Fresh eyes, fresh eyes. Fresh eyes, fresh eyes. I got these fresh eyes. Never seen you before like this. My God, you're beautiful. It's like the first time when we open the door.
Ano mga ginagawa sa buhay?
Student po
Saka nag-aaral?
sa Southville International School.
Anong course nila?
Grade school pa lang. Like, grade 10 pa lang.
Grade 10.
Yes.
May tanong lang ako. Si ma'am ba ay single? Taken.
It's complicated.
At complicated. Bakit kaya complicated?
Wala pong
Red flag? Red flag?
Sino po red flag ako?
I mean, red flag yung red flag yung relasyon kasi dalawa yan eh. Isang red flag tsaka green flag.
Red flag po para sa akin.
Ang green flag ay yung healthy ang relation. Kapag red flag ay yung complicated, pwedeng
Hindi ka healthy.
di healthy ang ang relasyon.
Single po.
Single, so red flag na.
Yes po.
Ano ba hinahanap mo sa isang guy?
Guy? I think babae.
Mabait pa?
Tulungin, ganun.
Ha? Mabait ba si ma'am?
Opo, mabait naman. Gano?
So ayun na, thank you kay ma'am. Ano pangalan mo?
Samantha.
Samantha.
Can't believe that she's mine. Now all I see is you with fresh eyes, fresh eyes.